What a perfect winter day to make spaghetti. In here I have some tomato sauce that I had preserved in the midsummer. I'm going to be using for the spaghetti sauce. It's going to be delicious. I've already used it for chili, and I'll be using it for more things later. These are the ingredients I will be using. I got some zucchinis and garlic, bell pepper, sauce, olive oil, some meat, pepper, salt, and spaghetti noodles. Pretty damn fresh. You ain't getting that at the supermarket. Nothing cute, nothing fancy. Perfect. You don't have to use vegetables, but I love vegetables. I like nutrients. The body needs nutrients. These are great herbs for the sauce. Just loaded with nutrients. That's all it's all about. Cooking is all about adding nutrients and energy, flavor to the people you love. When you get food that isn't made with love, it is of a low vibrational energy. That's why you see so many people sluggishly moving about. It's because the energy, aka food they put into their bodies, is low on the energy spectrum. The proof's in the pudding, really. You don't need to take my word for it. I'm just a healer. A preventer of disease. It isn't a perfect science, because you ain't in control of everything, but you can be in control of some things, and that which you can control, you should control. For health, for the betterment of this planet we live on, all that good stuff. That's why I have a cooking show, so I can teach by example what it takes to live healthily in this world that runs on diseased economies that are anything but sustainable. Medicine. Homemade tomato sauce, forget about it. They say to take the lids off that go around. I guess in case it bursts, it doesn't blow up, they just pop. Could be something else too. Lots of oregano and basil. You cannot go wrong in your sauce. It's a delicioso spaghetti. Stir in the garlic. And you've got some delicious stuff going on. Some people don't like a lot of this stuff in their food. I absolutely love it. Can't really eat it without it. To each their own. But health is the most important thing to me. And luckily it's delicious. Last is to add in the noodles. Once the water's boiled, the 12-minute rule, cooking the noodles works really well. Mix everything up so it can blend together. Everything's cooked, ready to blend. All their flavors are joining. I'm gonna make one delicious sauce for the noodles. I may need to add a little bit more sauce. I usually do, as I don't really go by an exact recipe. Once you've cooked something enough times, you kind of just go by the flow. Looks like I can use another can at least, so let me grab another. All the sauce, meat, and vegetables have now blended together. Any of the vegans might have already shut it off with the meat in here. But I'm definitely not a hater. I definitely respect anybody who takes care of life forms such as animals and is conscious of not over-consuming in general, especially when it's something that is killed daily on the masses. It's pretty sad. But I'm an imperfect human, and I try to respect the animal as well. Health first. Pour a little olive oil into the noodles. Pour in the sauce. It's a lot of sauce. What's good too is food like this, when you cook your meals, say you only have a family of 3, you guys eat this nutritious food for the next 3 to 5 days instead of just making a meal every single night, depending someone else feeding you at a drive-through. You feed yourself with love, your family with love, high vibrational energy, delicious food, as natural as God and nature intended, and you will be able to prevent disease much greater. That's one health tip many people do, is have food prepared in advance, taking out the guesswork, making it a little easy. Sure, you cook for a couple hours one night, then you don't have to cook much again for a few days, saving time and money, not going in and out of pharmaceutical lines, hospitals, not wasting gas, waiting in drive-thrus, just money you could be using to buy healthier food or buy seed for your garden. Whatever you choose, be sure to make food that's healthy. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to do it every night. We do live in an age where there's a lot of delicious foods that might not be so beneficial for us, but those are the joys of life. Healthy food, go 80-20. Life's a lot easier when you're healthy. Bon appetit.